Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find out the location of a folder on your device if you don't know it using the Adobe Bridge file and folder manager or explorer. So let us guide you through it. So as if you'd like to navigate to a specific folder but you don't know where it is located, you may use the folder overview on Adobe Bridge to get redirected to that location on your device. What you want to do is launch Adobe Bridge, log into your account. Let me go with the workflow tab here, but you can also go with the folders overview here. And on the left hand side, click into folders and right click into the given folder like this one. And then you will see this option reveal in Explorer, which is going to redirect you to the Explorer and the exact folder or file location. You can also use the overview here with the subfolders of the selected destination or location here. And do the same, right click into it, select reveal in Explorer, and if the folder has not been hidden but is shown or accessible, then you will be redirected to its location so that you may copy it by clicking into this field here. You will see the folder location there. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.